I love that palm tree. This is a break in between storms again. Probably starting in about another couple hours. Yeah. So beautiful out here. We even had some snow up in La Cañada, Flint Ridge and stuff, all locally around here. Hey folks, how you doing? Welcome back. It's Charlie. It is Tuesday morning, 9:55, the last day of February 28th, 2023. Ooh, 14 more days. It has been a very interesting morning. Just before I was planning on leaving the house, then this breaks out. Warning: graphic language not suitable for children. Oh, I think I know what's up. Jesus Christ. God. This is the mother and son. I think it's because she started cleaning this morning. You can smell the bleach in the fabuloso. And he's kind of a slob, so I think that's what she's picking up on. And she started throwing the stuff. This is actually, it had been quiet for a couple of days up until now. And mind you, the first of the month is coming. That means they all get money. So that means also that there's just going to be more drugs and alcohol. I know. But no, I mean, like, oh, this is what I mean. This is insanity. Oh, Lord. I think I will. I got a reason to go to the store to go get a gallon of water now. my Target badges, you see? My board where I keep my appointments and stuff. From some of the kids that know me from feeding. It's Tuesday morning, not even 10 o'clock. It helps keep them, helps keep the demons away. I got two blessed ladies. My mom over there. So that was it. It's actually 50 degrees, but it's not too bad right now. That bitter bite that cold has, that normally has, it's not. So it's kind of comfortable actually. I know, but it's also I have this big jacket. So actually, that's where it is. I didn't hear of the granddaughter. Thank goodness. I was kind of assuming did she leave? Maybe? No, after a while, I heard the granddaughter saying something. But I guess, you know, I'm glad because, you know, those two voices, those two people, mother and son. Ooh. So, yeah, no, she wasn't involved and stuff like that. So, he was basically, I guess, in his room. Now, he's been, as of quite the long lately, he's been sleeping with his door open in the hallway, you know. In the utility closet again. It's not a room, it's a utility closet. Smaller than the size of a jail cell, I believe. So, she was cleaning and she gets into those fits and she kind of threw his stuff, and then they started, oh, you're a slob, and she's accusing him, oh, you know, God this, and he's retorting back that you're evil, you know, you got to check yourself, basically. And it's just, yeah, well, he was actually he had been kind of quiet, other than, you know, a few nights here and there, him and his daughter and stuff like that, partying and arguing, and she just embeds herself in her room, actually more like entombs herself in the room, and then comes out. She did come out the other day. She was going up to the liquor store, coming back from the liquor store with the dog and the bicycle basket and stuff like that. But oh god, tomorrow is the first of the month. Commodities and disability and EBT and all that happy stuff. So that means they're going to get... I wish I could say either or, drugs or alcohol, but, you know, in all honesty, she can't even really handle having a joint. You know, I've heard her many times, you know, where she basically just lights up a joint and she just takes a big hit and she gets all this, like, and I can hear, oh yeah, she's so, oh, kind of like, I don't know, like if she did a blast of coke or meth or something. But, you know, it's like, and that's when I was really, I'm like, God, you would, anything like that, you've got that psychological mentality that it just, as long as you know you're doing something psychologically, you've already set yourself in, and you're medicated, and hasn't even My glasses are all crooked. And it hasn't even affected it. Less than half a second and you're already mentally satisfied. And that's it. Kind of like a cigarette smoker with a cigarette. I don't know. As soon as he gets it in his hands and everything, he's getting ready, he's pretty much already satisfied that over 70% of that urge of having that nicotine fit, as long as they have it in possession. It's worse when you're like at the DMV and you have a cigarette and you need a cigarette break, and you can't, here in California at least, and you know you've been already waiting for about an hour. It's like you don't dare step out for fear of missing your number called. But they just, LeVar would be best suited if he just left. I mean, honestly, I would say, you know, I'd be better off just, you know, being homeless and sleeping away from all this, because it's just misery upon misery. And they just, she nitpicks and looks for things to interact and argue and stuff like that. There can be a certain amount of peacefulness, but that only lasts for so long until she really gets a hair and she just, I don't know, she feeds on it, you know. Well, they kind of all do, pretty much, on each other, until they get bored with that, and then they come at us. Oh my, the thing is all smudgy. Oh, it's clear now, Charlie. But anyway, I'm gonna get my water and hopefully things will calm down. Sometimes it does and sometimes it doesn't. Oh, excuse me. As long as it's, you know, as long as it doesn't involve more than just the two, that's fine. But eventually, honestly, more and more get pulled in. And like I said, when they get tired of each other, hey, let's go pick on them. Yeah, let's go pick on them. You folks take care of yourselves, take care of each other, but always take care of yourselves first. Love one another, trust one another, be kind to each other, help one another. Don't take today for granted or any other day thereafter. Live for the moment, pull down your pants and slide on that ice. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up. If you like what I'm doing, we're doing, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification button. Tell your friends and family about me, about us, what's going on. And yeah, I actually wanted to get it up a little bit and try to fly the drone to get some aerial footage. But every now and then there is a cross wisp right over here and the signal isn't too strong for some reason. So hopefully, and there's still plenty of snow in the mountains and we're expecting some more, so I'd like to try to do that. We'll see here in a couple days. Hopefully. However long it lasts. Love you all. Comments good or bad, please post. Be safe.